Maggie.
Lots of cameras.
Help. Oh my. Let's help. Yeah, arms in. There you go. You did it. All by yourself. A tunnel. Going for the big slide. Right to the big one.
Oh, where did you go?
Hi. Josie, I had a rock. That was my plaything.
Back in the Stone Age.
She's like, wait, I want a rock. You gonna slide down?
When you were her age, we didn't have the rock yet.
No.
You had a swing in the tree.
No.
When you went to daycare where they had a swing set. No. The way your picture taken. That was class
You had a snack. All right, did you have a banana?
Yeah.
Oh, yum.
Do
A little rough spots there.